This is the easiest way to start a YouTube channel in less than 1 hour. Check it out.
It's my lifestyle. It's my lifestyle.
What's going on, you guys? For those that want to start a YouTube channel, it's very simple. Don't overthink it. Just get it done. And this is how you can do it in a few easy steps, all right? This is the most basic way to start a YouTube channel. So first things first, you got to have a Gmail account. So go on Google, open up a Gmail account, 5 minutes, you got one. The next step, you go on youtube.com, you sign in using your Gmail, boom, you have a YouTube channel, all right? Now the next step after you have your channel would be to record it. So how are you gonna record it? What are you gonna use? It's very simple, and you've already paid for it. You don't need anything else. Okay, so what I use for right now is my phone. I have an iPhone 11. I just press the 4K button, then I hit record. What I use for my audio, it's the Dre Beats, the wireless. That's what you can use, the headphones that come with the iPhone. They're probably sitting in your iPhone box already. So pull them out, plug them in. The mic is pretty decent. Aesthetically pleasing, not so much. They still work. So, you can start somewhere. I'll have a link below for my favorite wireless headphones that you can use. Another thing that I use is a phone holder that connects to my windshield, because I don't really have a lot of time to sit there and record at home. I usually do my recording on my spare time, which is in the car. I'll put the link below. You can see the one that I have, or you can buy your own. And another thing you need before you record is a concept, is an idea, it's a niche. That is so easy to find. It only takes you a couple minutes. Okay, so now, how can you get these ideas? You can get these ideas from Instagram, you can get them from Facebook. You can even ask your friends that follow you for some ideas of what to talk about. Wherever you're more likely to get a response. Post a question, what should I talk about? I like talking about basketball. What should I talk about in regards to basketball? I'd like to talk about books. What are your favorite books? And go based off of that. What I like to do is on Instagram, I follow a lot of motivational people and motivational pages on Instagram. Sometimes the things that they post about, I can relate to it, and I have a lot to talk about when it comes to that. So that's an idea. You can get ideas for videos anywhere. I'm not gonna go too deep into that, but that's pretty easy, and Google. Okay, so the next, be editing. There's a lot of other softwares that you can use for editing, but my editing is done on my phone. I use iMovie, and I just edit on my phone. I sit there, I zoom in, I crop things, I add sound effects. It's really easy to use, doesn't take a lot of time, and it's not very complicated. I'm gonna show you guys a little sample of what I do in regards to the editing on iMovie. So let's go into my screen real quick. Here's the iMovie app on my phone, and you can even use the iMovie on your Mac. This is pretty straightforward. This is how I input my intro. My intro is already pre-made. I made it on iMovie as well. I just click the videos, I click my intro, add it, and it's done. Quick and easy. And this is the remainder of the video. And this is the rest of the video. I just grab the corner, I can shorten it or I can lengthen it. I can even cut a certain part of the video that I want to edit things out, like maybe a stutter or noise in the background, things of that sort. All right, and another thing you can add to this are a little text in between the videos or even on the videos. Besides that, we also have sound effects. iMovie has integrated sound effects that you can add into any part of your movie. So we're gonna go over here to audio, then sound effects. And this is the list of the sound effects that you can add to any part of the movie. And I'm pretty sure there's no minimum or max of sound effects that you can add to any movie that you would like. So you just drag and drop and you've added a sound effect. Pretty easy, right? All right, you guys, now that you saw my screen and how easy it is to edit, we're on the last thing, just a little cherry on top. And that's gonna be the thumbnails and the artwork for your channel. That is super simple, it's free, it's canva.com. I'm gonna put a link below for Canva. Log in with your Facebook and you're in. Then you can start doing it. They have different templates you can use. You just swap your picture on that template, type a little description, whatever it is you want to do, and you're done. I will go ahead and show you guys a little quick sample of what Canva looks like. So let's go into my screen real quick. This is the Canva app on my phone. We're gonna make a YouTube thumbnail. All right, I typed in YouTube thumbnail and these templates came up. So I can use whatever template I want and just substitute my photo in with whatever photos on the template. So let's take her out real quick. All right, let's input one of the pictures that I have saved onto my Canva. Okay, so let's use this one right here. Let's make it a little bigger. And if you guys recognize, this is actually the template that I use for my current thumbnail. Okay, let's push it to the back. Okay, let's switch these up. Just put something random. Okay, and whoops. Let's put something random here. And let's change the colors. I like blues, so let's do different shades of blue. Okay, and then change this one. Cool, and there you go. Instant thumbnail for your next video. All right, you guys, so that's it. That was really quick. If you do all that stuff, it's probably gonna be less than an hour and you started your YouTube channel. So what's the excuse? You have no excuse to not start your YouTube channel if you wanna start one. I appreciate you guys. You know the script. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.